This is the real Tom Rose, and this is a strange way of asking us this. They say they're using prose to define an algebraic expression. They're saying add this fraction and this fraction. And okay, we can do that. I'll just write it out. 2 over x minus 3 plus 5 over x plus 2. So there you go. Now that's not an answer choice, so it looks like we're going to have to do some manipulation to try to make it an answer. One of the things I notice is we don't have a sum of two fractions in any of the answer choices. So we need to combine these fractions somehow in order to find a match. So what I'm going to do is look for a common denominator. And the denominator here is this binomial x minus 3 and x plus 2. That's tricky to get a common denominator for. It's not like we can just multiply everything by 2 or something like that. So what we're going to do is let's use the common denominator x minus 3 times x plus 2, which is like a brute force type of common denominator. But here, I'll show you what I mean. Let's multiply the left side by x plus 2 over x plus 2. And we'll multiply the right fraction by x minus 3 over x minus 3. You can always do that because these fractions are equal to 1. Now what you'll see here is we've built a common denominator of x plus 2, x minus 3 on both of these. Right? It says, how did I come up with these multipliers? It's just the denominator of the other side in the form of a fraction. Right? So this is x plus 2 over x plus 2, and this is x minus 3 over x minus 3. That's a brute force way of combining fractions. You just take the denominators, multiply both fractions by them, and what you'll end up with is, so I'm going to distribute this, so I end up with 2x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x minus 3, plus, again, distribute the top part, 5x minus 15 over x plus 2 times x minus 3. And what we end up with is, now we can sum the numerators and put it over that common denominator. So we'll have 2x plus 4 plus 5x minus 15 over x plus 2 times x minus 3. Gosh, I hope something cancels out at least. 2x plus 5x is 7x, and 4 minus 15 is negative 11 over x plus 2 times x minus 3. And nothing cancels out, but we do have a match. Notice this is your correct answer.